Hey everyone, welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Welcome everybody back to the channel, and welcome everybody who is new. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sabrina and I post all type of really easy vegan recipes. I'm really new to the plant-based lifestyle, so just welcome to the journey. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And in this video here, I am going to show you how I make oat milk. Alright, you're going to need a blender. You're going to need some oatmeal. You want to use the whole oats. I got a nutmeg, a dash of salt, and I used agave to sweeten it. And like I said, it can be a nutmeg, a cheese net, something that's going to catch the oats when you blend it. Alright, I start by putting a half a cup of oats in the blender, a pinch of salt, 3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of agave. You also can use maple syrup, honey, whatever sweetener of your choice, or you can do unsweetened if you like. And to add an extra little pizzazz, a little zest to it, you can also add some chocolate syrup, strawberries. You can vanilla. It'd be, literally the sky's the limit with the type of flavorings you can add. Then you can blend it. My Instapot blender has a oat milk setting. I chose that setting, but if you do not have an Instapot, you can also just blend it for 30 seconds and it'll be just fine. Now I am pouring the milk into the bag. Just take your time, don't be in a hurry because you don't want to spill any of that delicious milk that you just made. Once you pour everything in there, then it's time to squeeze the rest of the milk out of the bag. As you can see right here, it gets a little slimy. That part can be a little messy, so it's always good to do this in a large bowl and then transfer it into the container you store your milk in, because as you can see, it can get kind of messy, and so you want that extra room. As you can see, it's super easy to make. All you need to do is now just store it, pour it in your container of choice. I usually make it probably lasts maybe anywhere for about 3 days, 5 at the max. If it's 5, it needs to be in one of those airtight containers, because you don't want no sour milk. That's nasty. But as you can see, it's super easy to make, so you can really make this as you go. And if you have kids like me, make a bunch and have it stored up. This probably lasts us. That was just for this video, but I usually make more for sure. But super delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and as always, guys, God bless.